Look at the menu. So you can obviously pause the screen, same as I recommend if you want to look in more detail. So all your South Indian favourites here, plenty to choose from. They also do a buffet that goes to 6 p.m. So lots of chittinad, Tamil food, all the traditional South Indian things. Quite an extensive menu, isn't it? And this place is mostly frequented by South Indian people. Get the odd other person in here. So that was the menu. I decided to go for the buffet because I'm quite hungry. So what have we got? Some khichdi, some white rice, we've got some rasam, pepper water with some masala on the white rice there. We've got some uppatam with red onion. We've got some poppadoms, we've got a mixed vegetable korma, we've got a dal, we've got a carrot and some other vegetables with grated coconut, typical South Indian style with the curry leaves and the mustard seeds, cumin. We've got some drumstick curry. Let's have a look. What's a drumstick for anybody who knows? These long beans, and they are pretty long, about 15 inches long. You might have seen them in the shops. Always find them a little bit woody. We've got some bacon or brinjal aubergine masala there. And for dessert, it's interesting about South Indian food, as I describe and explain in my second book, Authentic British Indian Restaurant. Sorry, not British Indian Restaurant Food at Home, but Authentic South Indian Cuisine. When you order a South Indian meal or a banana leaf or a thali, the dessert comes with it. So what we've got here, well, it should be some buttermilk, tapioca and vermicelli. So I can't wait to get stuck in. There's a couple more things coming. The choli or chana chickpea batara. That's actually the batara, nice and puffed. Look at the size of my hands, pretty big, nicely puffed. Chana masala here. So this is what's on offer. This is the vegetarian thali, which is basically the buffet. So all this, and it's refillable until your heart's content, is £6.95, and I believe there are 2 meat dishes as well that you can choose from, an extra £1. So you definitely won't be leaving hungry, that's for sure. Good value for money as well. Take me long. That was my first course. It's actually my breakfast today here on a Friday. It's about 4 o'clock, and let's have a look at the restaurant. And it's really empty today. So there's all the buffet, self-serve. And what's pretty amazing about the buffet or the thali is that how much work goes into it. If I was going to cook all that at home, I'd literally be in the kitchen. I could imagine anywhere between 3.5 to 5 hours. So if you think of the work that goes into that and the price and what you get, a nice range of flavours, it's a real bargain. £6.95. I'm off for a second helping. Thank you very much for watching the video. Feel free to like, share and subscribe. Plenty more exciting and interesting videos coming up in the future.